Have you ever thought about teaching yourself a new skill, the skill of juggling with 3 balls? Well, I taught myself to juggle quite a few years ago, and I'll tell you the process that I used. Now, first of all, you start off with 1 ball, and you need to be able to throw this ball from one hand to the other so you can catch it. You might be really good at throwing with your dominant hand, because I'm right-handed, but you need to be able to throw back with your other hand. So there we go, a nice simple throw from one hand to the other. Now, you might introduce the second ball. Now what you need to be able to do with this is throw it from one hand to the other, and the other ball needs to go from this hand to the other. And this is the process. It goes 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you need to be able to do that quite decently to be able to start juggling. So you can do it both sides, that side, this side. Just have a go and get that right. And when you're confident doing this one, then you need to introduce the third ball. Now what you need to do is hold 2 balls in one hand and then 1 ball in the other. Now I always start off holding the 2 balls in my dominant hand, so that's my right hand because I'm right-handed. And what you're going to do, you're only going to throw 1 to start with. So as you throw 1, it's going to come down, land in this hand, but before it lands, you will have thrown this one that will come down and land in the other hand, and then the third one will come into your other hand. Sounds a bit complicated, but it's really, really down to practice. So it's all like doing it in 3s. Okay, I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3. And there, if you practice that, you will be juggling with 3 balls. And the more you practice, the more you'll be able to do it. Now, one little tip, when I started doing this, I actually did it against a wall because I found that I was throwing it away from me. But with the wall being there, I actually found I was keeping it more into myself, because if you throw it away, you're running to try and catch it. So that's another little tip you may want to try, to do it in front of a wall to start with. And once you're confident with that, you'll be able to juggle. So why don't you have a go?